Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can use the split view feature in the Comet AI web browser. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so launch the Comet AI web browser, and as you can see, I'm using it only in one view here with that tab open. If you'd like to split your display into two halves here in the Comet AI web browser, you may do that by clicking into that arrow down icon in the top right and by selecting Add Split View. That is going to divide your tab into two halves, left one, right one. You may close them by clicking into the X button here, and you may also navigate through them. If I, for example, left click into the left tab, you will see the URL bar here at the top as well as the navigation bar. So you may use, for example, that bar to give the artificial intelligence, like Perplexity AI in this case here, the command to navigate you to a specific website or enter the URL address yourself here, or you may use the voice dictation for that, and do the same for the tab here or for the right half here. Click into it and use that URL bar here at the top. You may close the given half here in the top right corner. You may also adjust the size here by using that slider in the middle, and that's basically it. Now, if you'd like to separate both tabs, guys, simply click into that button here in the top left corner, Arrange Split View. And that is going to separate both tabs if you select this option. You may also switch the tab position from left to right, and there you go. Now, if I, for example, left click into that right half here and use that search bar here at the top and type in or give the artificial intelligence the command to, I don't know, head over to this website. And yeah, you will see these that action carried out here on the right half. And as previously mentioned, to navigate or to use the left half, click into it and use the search bar at the top. So let me go with Instagram. And there you go. And that's how you use it, guys. So hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.